I can't believe I'm here and about to do my first makeup haul for the channel. No, this is not clickbait, so stick around. What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. Today we got something fun for you because I am doing my first ever makeup haul. If you can't tell by the outfit, a little nervous, never done one before. I don't really know what I'm getting into, but I definitely have always wanted to do one and see what all the fuss is about. I know everybody goes crazy about them on the internet, all these hauls and whatnot. So today we're gonna go for a little haul. And before I set out on my journey here, I wanted to make sure I knew somewhat of an idea of what I was getting into. So I did take to YouTube, because who doesn't love YouTube, and looked up a little bit about makeup hauls. And you know, I see a lot of drugstore makeup haul, ultra makeup haul. I clicked on a couple of videos and more or less it was just unboxings rather than the actual hauling part. So I want to be over prepared than under prepared. So let's go ahead and take you through what we're going to bring with us to make sure this haul goes successfully. Well, the first thing with hauling is a good truck. So we do have the Duramax, luckily, so we will be taking that. Kind of simple here, some gloves, cut resistant. What is it? ANSI level 2 cut protection. So in case anything's sharp when we're loading up the haul, we'll take those with us. Then next we got some tie downs. We do have some nice ratchet straps to tie down some of the product that we're going to be hauling away. So we do got a couple of those to tie everything down when we get there. I'm not sure what it's going to look like just yet, but we'll do that. Then we got our trailer hitch here too. $2 hitch with a 2-inch ball. Kind of funny how that works, ain't it? Anyways, we got the hitch and then a little reducer there, make sure it's going to fit in the truck and whatnot, and then pin it down. So we will take a couple of these things with us. I got the hard hat on. Flip that around. Got the hard hat on, so we should be safe there. But let's go ahead and set out on our journey here and see what we can haul in at the old drugstore. Alright guys, and we are in transit now to the general store. The Dollar General to be exact. There seems to be a lot of buzz around the Dollar Tree haul, Dollar General haul, stuff like that. I think there's an obsession for what you can get for cheap. And I'm just curious, you know, if it's cheap for a reason or if it's any good. So we'll go in there, mainly because it's close. We don't have a lot of options around us. Bunch of cornfields. Yeah, we don't have any of them ultra Sephora places here. We just got cornfields, so we'll run up to the local Dollar General here and see if we can't get a bang for our buck. Maybe we can get something for 20 bucks or less. Kind of get the whole palette of things that we need to do this, and then we'll break them down for you when we get back to the house. So I'll meet you guys over there. Don't think we're gonna need the trailer. Probably still should use the truck, but yeah, I don't know. No wonder they don't show how they haul it home. I mean, it wasn't what I expected, but we are gonna take some precautions here before we head back to the house and show you what I got. And luckily for reference, I have my transportation hazmat book here, Code of Federal Regulations, CFR 49. Well guys, there's no way in heck we're going to fill up the whole bed of this truck. I mean, all we came out with for $20 was this little bag. Plus, the makeup's really small. I could have bought the whole store, spent thousands of dollars, and it still wouldn't fill up this whole truck. So then we'll put it in a pharmacy box. How about that? That way we know at least the box is good for when we get back. So we want to make sure it travels good, travels under a reputable brand name. And yeah, so I'll get this repacked and then strap her down. Alright guys, well, it's safely loaded up. I wore my gloves, got the ratchet straps tied down, and everything's safely in the back there. Luckily with the hazmat book, we're all road legal. Well guys, quick little update on the haul. The vitals are great. This thing is pulling like an absolute animal. Really, when you think about it, we're not really hauling that much weight back there. It's probably 12 ounces maybe? I'm not really sure. It can't weigh much though. The truck was definitely overkill. I think I was misled by what a haul really is. Well guys, made it back safely, and surprisingly, they actually didn't blow away. Guess I have my Monster Energy there. I need to turn that around until I get a sponsorship. Can't advertise for free. Alright guys, well now that the haul is essentially over, we'll get to the unboxing part of this video. So you're actually getting 2 videos for the price of 1, and I'll show you exactly what I got for under $20. Here we go. So we'll dive right in. We do got our hazmat gloves on just in case. Remember, we did put it in the pharmacy box because we wanted a trustworthy brand that we knew was good. And then we'll get to the Dollar General here and see what we got. And we're not going to go in any particular order. I'm going to save that, for a separate video. If this video gets 5,000 views, I will do this makeup on Tori, if she agrees to it. Now, if not, maybe I'll do it on myself, but this beard. My first pharmacy video I did is over 1,000 now, so hopefully you guys can step it up a little bit. Share this. Let's have some fun. Show your friends. First up, we have, looks like a Fit Me Matte and Poreless. 220. Natural beige. So 220, kind of like sandpaper, right? 220 grit. I wonder if that has something to do, or if that's more or less the color, but it's a pressed powder. It's kind of powdery and kind of falls apart. Figured powder is probably important. I think you buff that on there as such. All right, next thing up here is a Covergirl GC Smoothers BB Cream. 10-in-1 Instant Skin Enhancer. So it must just be, wow, bam, bam. It's just gonna really bop you right away. I was just look at them colors, look pretty similar. A little cream and powder, I think they go together. Put the cream on, then hit it with the powder, and it'll stick and create just this goddess of a figure, I'm sure. So, LA Colors, LA. Any LA fans out there? This is a brow pencil. Shapes and grooms brows. Dang, and Tori's a beast on them brows, so got some big shoes to fill if I do end up doing this on her. Big Boss pencil. Big brow pencil, maybe. Big brow pencil, probably. Who knows? Anyways, that's the pencil there. Set that aside. Next we got, I gotta show you guys. I gotta show you. HD Waterproof Mascara. The other ones are kind of light. Like, look at this. This stuff's kind of light. And blue, you always want to offset something to pop, It looks kind of like it might go on your eyes somewhere, maybe. I don't know, maybe we can brush it on. Maybe it's like a little brush or something in there. And this here is a Moisturizing Lip Gloss. And to me, it looks kind of like it's a little bit of pink, so it might look like you just ate a cherry pop or a popsicle of some sort. Get you on a program. This stuff here, all together, it ought to look pretty good, I think, so all I'm asking for is 5,000 views and we'll do the darn thing. So I mean, again, I'll put it back in the pharmacy box for now. Maybe not, I don't want to get it confused. This is the good stuff. You guys need to get this. This was a little bit of haul I had here, a little unboxing for you guys. I see why everybody just orders pharmacy products to their door. It's a lot easier, a lot more cost effective, and a better product in the end. So again, not knocking Dollar General at all, just trying to support a good company for a good cause. So anyways, if you did like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you subscribe for more of Tori. And let me know in the comments what you thought of this, if it was good, if it was dumb, if you want more content like this. Otherwise, we'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks again.